Hi friends, this is Chitra. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn what is the open, high, low and close of the candle and how can we use this open, high, low and close in our trading. So what do we mean by open? The term open refers to the price at which the very first trade of the stock is made for the particular day. The open price is crucial indicator of the stock's performance for the rest of the day. So this is the green candle. So the open will be here. The body here we can see the wick. This is the low of the price on this particular day. If we are taking the daily candle, and here we can see the body of the candle is starting from here. So this is the open price for that particular stock or for the particular index. Depends on the time frame. If you are taking 5 minutes candle, that will be the open price. If you are taking the daily candle, this will be the open price. So what is the high and low of the candles? High and low are the indicators that reflects how well or poorly the stock is performing in the market. The high denotes a stock's highest price during the particular day if you are looking for the daily candle. If data suggests the high can be suppressed, investors may consider buying more stock to maximize their profits. That is, if the price is above the high of that particular day, that is previous day's high, means the market is bullish. So they can enter long to maximize their profits. What is low? On the other hand, the low represents the lowest price that a stock reaches during particular day. Okay, a steadily decline low indicate investors should sell their stock to minimize their losses. That is, if the price is closing, that is, if the price is below the low of the previous day low, means that the trend is bearish, or they can book their losses and they can close their losses at that particular level, or we can look for selling opportunity at the particular point. What is called the close price? The term close refers to the price at which the last trade of the stock that is made for the particular day or for the particular time frame. If you are looking into daily time frame candle, that will be the last trade of the stock that is made for the particular day. If you are looking into the 5 or 15 minutes candle or 30 minutes candle, then it depends upon that particular time frame or which type of candle we are looking into. So this is the close price for that particular candle. So say for example, this is the daily candle. So here the price opens and this is the closed price, and high, this wick is called the price made high for that particular day, and low, this is a low of that particular candle or for the particular stock. So the price dipped till 10 rupees and opened at 20 rupees. So this is a low of the price that made for that particular day. Okay. So we can see one example for the open, high, low and close. That is the OHLC strategy that works in the stock market. Let's say a trader wants to use the OHLC strategy to trade the Reliance stock. The stock opens at rupees 2500 per share and rises by 1%, that is 25 rupees in the early part of the trading session. The trader identifies this is the bullish signal and he decides to go long on the stock by buying 100 shares at rupees 2525. So the open price is 2500 and price increased by 25 rupees. So he decided to buy 100 shares at the price of 2525. A stop loss order is placed at rupees 2500. What is the meaning? The meaning is that if the stock falls to this price, the position will be closed automatically. Okay. The trader also monitors the stock's movement throughout the day, looking for signs that bullish trend may end. Okay. Later in the day, the stock rises further to 3% from the open, that is 2575 rupees now. Okay, and the trader decided to close out the position by selling the 100 shares. So he bought 100 shares at the price of 2525. Now the price rises to 3% from the open, that is 2575 rupees. So he will be in the profit of rupees 50. So the results in the profit of rupees 5000, that is 100 shares multiplied by rupees 50 gain per share. Overall, the OHLC strategy can be useful for the traders looking to take the advantage of short-term price movements in the market. However, like any other trading strategy, the OHL strategy also works. It is important to understand the risk involved and have a solid plan to manage the potential losses. So whatever trade if you are entering, there should be some risk management involved, and we should have a plan when to enter and when to exit the trade. Okay. In the previous example which I have explained about the Reliance, I have shown if the price is opening, that is for the current day, open, high, low and close. If the price is opening prices above this particular level, we can look for a buy. So here I am going to show an indicator for the previous day high, open, low and close. So now I have added the indicator, that is the OHLC previous session lines. Okay, this is the high, close and low. So previously I have shown an example for the Reliance, how to trade for the current day. Now this is the example, like I am showing how we can trade for the previous sessions, open, high, low and close. Okay, so here the open is not available. So what we have to do is we have to go to this indicator, and here we have a source code. Click on this. Now we have to scroll below. Okay, here the color, this is color dot white. Here we have to change the color because this is not able to edit. So here the script is read only. To edit its code, create a copy. So we are clicking there. After that we are editing this code. Okay, so here this is white. So here we are going to change, this is blue. Alright. After that, again here we can see the line number 37. This is also white. Here also we are going to change it as blue. Okay. Now what we are going to do is save. Okay. Save and add to cart. Okay. So here we can see 2 sessions. So we are closing 1. So now we can see the open also, because I have changed the code. There the color is white, so that line is not visible. So the high, open, close, low is now visible. Okay. So this is the example of 11th August. So here this is the low of the previous day candle, that is a previous daily candle's low. So when we are entering into the trade, okay, so this low of yesterday, that is a previous day, is very crucial. So we will be entering into the short trade, okay, below the low of this red candle. Okay, and also we got the rejection from the close of the previous day. So that's why we are using the previous day close, low, high and open. So once this low is taken away, we can enter into the PE trade, that is for the short trade. Okay, and we can see that we got a nice move downwards. We can see one example from the 4th August. Here the price opened exactly at the previous day open price. This is the open price of previous day. And we can see that the price is consolidating in the open price of previous day. Okay. After that we can see that the previous day high, this is the previous day high, we can see here. This previous day high will be acting as the resistance. So when we are entering into the long trade, this will be the target if you are entering into the long trade. And exactly we can see that the price is taking, we got the rejection from the previous day high, we got the spinning top candle as well as the doji candle. So from here, if you are entering into the PE trade, we can see that the price took support at the open price of previous day. Okay. We can see one more example of the next day, that is of 7th August. So here we can see that the price opened exactly at the previous day high. So here we can enter into the long trade. So if the price is breaking the previous day high, that is a resistance level, we can enter into the long trade. So we can keep the stop loss as low of this red candle and we can enter into the long trade. So whole day the price was moving in the uptrend. Okay, we can see that here. So we can see one more example from the Bank Nifty. This is 9th August. Okay. So here we can see this red candle have broken the close, open and low. Okay. This 5 minutes candle. So one can enter into the PE trade below this red candle. Okay. And we can see that we got the nice PE trade, that is nice target for that particular day. Okay. Also we can see one more example here. Okay. The close. This is the close of the previous day, that is for 7th August and this is the 8th August. So here price took support at the close of the previous day and we got the spinning top candle here. So one can enter into the long trade above this and we can book our profits at the high of the previous day. Okay, so here if we are entering into the long trade, we have to book our profits here. Okay, so after that, if you are entering into the long trade, we need to get one more confirmation. So if you enter into the long trade here, then our stop loss will be the low of this green candle. So here, if you enter long also, the price didn't move much above that. So we got the rejection from the previous day high. We got the red candle here. So one can enter into the PE trade below this and we can book our profits here. Okay. This is my Telegram channel, currently having 7,000 plus subscribers. There are so many fake channel under my name and my logo. Don't get trapped. Okay. So every video, at the end of my every video, I'm sharing the same about my Telegram channel. Still people are getting trapped. So please be aware of that. Here I will be sharing the Nifty and the Bank Nifty levels, that is a support and resistance level every day evening for next day. So today is July 25. So this I have shared the 26th, that is July 26th evening. Okay, so here I have shared the Nifty levels. Key level I have shared today morning, that is Nifty 19730 is the key level. Okay, and also Nifty also I have shared that Nifty can touch 20,528 and the target got achieved. So this is a free channel. So those who are trading the index Nifty or Bank Nifty, Nifty, they can join my Telegram channel. Okay, then I told trail Nifty to 2,505, that got achieved. So okay. So here this is the Telegram channel. So those who are trading Nifty and Bank Nifty can make use of my Telegram channel. Hope this video is useful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Click the bell icon too for my upcoming video notifications. Thank you for watching.